Now we discuss about chemistry of transition element, transition series element, transition elements. The elements in which differentiating electron enter in n-1 d orbitals of n-1 main shell are called transition elements. These elements are also known as bridge elements, as they are lying between s and p block elements in a periodic table. Because the differentiating electron in this element enter in d orbital, so these elements are called as d block element. Atomic radius. This distance from the center of the nucleus to the valence shell of electron in an atom is known as atomic radius. Atomic radius is measured in centimeter. Atomic radius actually decreases across a row in the periodic table due to an increase in the effective nuclear charge. Within each group in vertical column, the atomic radius tend to increase with atomic number. Explanation. The transition metals can form a variety of ions by losing one or more electrons. For the first 5 metals, the maximum possible oxidation state corresponds to the loss of all the 4s and 3d electrons. Toward the night end of the period, maximum oxidation state are not observed. In fact, 2 plus ions are the most common because the third orbital become lower in energy. As the nuclear charge increases and the electrons become increasingly difficult to remove, ionization energy, minimum energy required to remove an electron from the ground state of atom in the gas phase, Mg plus H nu is M plus E minus, increases across row but increase smaller than for main group element. Also, third transition row has higher ionization electron generally than first two rows. Runs counter to main group elements due to outer electrons being held more tightly. Electronegativity. Physical properties of metals. Efficient conduction of heat and electricity. Malleability means they can be hammered into thin sheet. Third, ductility means they can pulled into wires. Fourth, lustrous means shiny appearance. Fifth, all transition elements are metal are at room temperature except mercury, which is liquid at room temperature. Alloys. Alloys are a mixture of metals to improve strength. Example of alloys include gold jewelry, bronze, copper and strontium, brass, copper and zinc, sterling silver, copper and silver. Magnetic properties. Although an electron behaves like a tiny magnet, two electrons that are opposite in spin cancel each other. Only atoms with unpaired electrons exhibit magnetic susceptibility. A paramagnetic substance is one that is weakly attracted by a magnetic field, usually the result of unpaired electrons. A diamagnetic substance is not attracted by a magnetic field, generally because it has only paired electrons. Color of complex ion. Color of wheel. Absorption of color appears as complementary color. Coloring causes lower d orbital electron to go up to higher d orbital state. Specific wavelength of light kicked out. The complement of color adsorbed. The colorless complexes are either d0 or d10, don't have d orbital electrons to move out. Color swap period for transition metals. Electron in partially filled d sublevel absorbs visible light, moves to slightly higher energy d orbital. Transition metal. Elements in groups 3 to 12 less reactive harder metals includes Metals used in jewelry and construction. Metal used as metal. Bronze. Copper alloys containing tin, lead, aluminum, silicon, and nickel are classified as bronze. CuSn bronze is one of the earliest alloys to be discovered, as CuOs invariably contain Sn. Stronger than brasses with good corrosion and tensile properties, can be cast, hot work and cold work. Wide range of application. Ancient Chinese cast artifacts, stickboard, ball bearings, surgical and dental instruments. Thank you.